looking at some parts. So if you want to hang out with me and look at some parts, go right ahead. I'm gonna turn this down a little here. Maybe I can get this to look down a little. I have a bunch of... Let me plug my phone in before I forget. It's cold in here. It's going to go dead. So, there we go. It should be plugged in. Turn the lights on. All right. This is the rubber seal that they don't make anymore, which looks in pretty good shape. This rubber seal goes in here. It's covered in grease. It looks pretty good for a 40-year-old piece of rubber, but I'm not going to put that in there. So we have, this is the steering neck thing I bought. I bought this new old stock, and apparently they're available in like Norway or something. I don't know. It's another country. I don't know if I have enough balls for it. This, I think, is for a 200 series bike. See, that's a smaller one, if you want to see the size. Yeah, it's a little bit smaller. I took this off of a, believe it or not, I took it off of Big Red. Because somebody Frankensteined the Big Red. So, I got to figure out how to clean these little balls. I know it sounds kind of dumb, but I need a container to put some brake cleaner, parts cleaner, degreaser, and give it a little swirly swirl. And I have, that's freaking gross, grease. This one looks like it, I don't know what the hell they did here. It's the same size as that, but it looks like this broke right off. Looks like this piece used to be on here. Somehow, oh yeah, it was welded on at one time, and it's a complete joke now. So go like this. We'll unhook the rubber seal. That looks like it's... I want to make sure if I clean this, I don't use like some kind of cleaner that will basically dissolve the damn rubber. So this one is junk. This I'm going to trash. Actually, what the hell's going on with this? There's a washer in here? There's a washer in there. That's weird. Put a washer back in there. There's the two top bolts in here. There's the top brace in there. And then there's this little lovely nugget that goes on top. I probably could clean it up and just polish it, but we'll leave it in it now. That's done. And then there's this one, which it has the rubber in there too. So I got another rubber piece that looks pretty decent. Now does it go in? See, this is the same one. This is junk. Just throw that out. Are these all the same? Yeah, they look pretty much the same. I don't know if you can tell. But do they go in this way or do they go in the other way? I don't know. I would assume the flat part goes down, that goes inward. So I have three seals. I have one on that bike, which with the 87 over here, and I have an 85 over there. So if I change all the bearings, I need at least 2 more bearing kits for all of them. And not sure who makes rubber replacements for these, or somebody could 3D print it or something. That's why I want to buy a 3D printer. I want to learn how to do this. So I'll put these 3 in here. I'm gonna find a little canister. See if I can clean off the little balls in there. So stay tuned for a second.